line with the market expectations, the Reserve Bank of India's Monetary Policy Committee has cut the repo rate by 50 basis points to 5.5%, marking the third consecutive rate reduction this year. The panel further decided to shift the stance from accommodative to neutral. My colleague Hina Gambhir is joining us on the broadcast with the details of what it means for you and me, for the people of the country. Hina, good news coming in from the RBI?
Well, first I'll ask you, Pratibha, do you have a home loan running by any chance?
I don't, but now it looks like this would be a good time to start, isn't it, Hina?
Well, absolutely. So that is the answer to the question that you asked me. People who already have their home loans running right now, it's a great news for them. It's a bonanza for them, because if they opted for a flexible interest rate, then their monthly EMIs are expected to go down. So that's point number one. And people like you who will now consider taking a home loan to buy a house or any other asset, for you people, for all the viewers who are also, looking to take a loan at this point in time, there is good news for them, because the interest rate is going to go down. So your EMIs, is going to be much, much lower. So that is what the Reserve Bank of India today has given us. It's a huge relief that has come for the middle class. In a way, a bonanza for the middle class. That will be the right word to use, because it's a 50 basis points cut that we have seen. And this is not something that you see, regularly happening as far as the Reserve Bank of India's monetary policy is concerned. Now, this is the third consecutive cut that we have seen in the key lending rate by Reserve Bank of India. It was 25 basis points cut in February, 25 basis cut in April, and now in June, a 50 basis points cut. In total, we've got a cut of 1% in just few months in 2025. That's point number one. Point number two, why it is a bonanza? That is because the Reserve Bank of India has also slashed the cash reserve ratio. Cash reserve ratio in simple terms means the percentage of deposits that banks are supposed to keep with the Reserve Bank of India. That has been cut by 1%, which in simple terms means banks will be able to get liquidity worth 2.5 lakh crore rupees by November this year, which means they'll have more money in their system, and hence they will be able to pass on this rate cut benefit that they have got from RBI to the customers like you and me and our viewers as well. So overall, it's a relief for middle class, and all this is being done to spur growth in the country. The latest GDP data that we got suggested our growth last year was about 6.5%. Our inflation remains under control right now, even though at 6.5%, we are the fastest growing economy across the world, but there is a need to take it further up. And that's the reason why the Reserve Bank of India felt that this is the right time to, use these particular measures. Inflation is down, growth is looking good, and if a rate cut comes in at this point in time, it will further spur growth. So it will make loans cheaper for consumers. It will also make borrowing money cheaper for the developers as well, for the real estate developers. And that is why a win-win situation for everybody, good news for everybody, and that's what we've got from RBI today.
Okay, all right. I'm sure viewers are also now thinking about it. Lower EMIs for long-term loans. That's what the RBI has indicated very clearly. Hina, do stay with us. The RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra making that announcement. Listen in.
The Monetary Policy Committee met on the 4th, 5th and 6th of June, that is today, to deliberate and decide on the policy repo rate. And after a detailed assessment of the evolving macroeconomic and financial developments and the economic outlook ahead, the MPC decided to reduce, which is widely expected, the policy repo rate under the liquidity adjustment facility by 50 basis points to 5.5%. I repeat, the reduction recommended by the MPC is for 50 basis points to 5.5%. This is with immediate effect.
All right, Hina, thank you for joining us with those details. That's the announcement that came in from the RBI. There's some big relief for people who have taken home loans or those who are considering it. With that, let's shift our attention now in just